The debate over Morpheus8. Morpheus8 is a microneedling technique that involves bipolar radio frequency. Its use is designed to target fine lines and wrinkles, help with global skin tightening to provide a refreshed, more youthful look for a patient. The treatment can be completed in as little as 30 minutes with essentially no downtime. What's the controversy? Where's the debate? I hear time and time again patients communicating concerns that they've heard Morpheus8 may melt fat or even take away volume effects from fillers like Juvederm or Restylane. So where does the truth lie? I think it's important to understand the science and even the nuances of Morpheus8 in order to answer this question. As a provider, I am able to change settings on that platform so that the depth of penetration may vary from 1 millimeter all the way up to perhaps 7 millimeters, and that energy is conferred to 8 millimeters. So understand that not all Morpheus8 treatments are created equal. Sometimes I talk about this in the laser realm. When we go to get a haircut, we can just take a little bit off and kind of trim the ends, or we can really go from shoulder length hair to something that's a very short bob. Morpheus8 in laser treatments can be much the same. We can treat the entire area at 1 millimeter, or we can provide a more intense depth so that we're targeting deeper tissue. The answer is that these treatments are customizable to the patient. There are areas like just underneath the chin or along the jawline where we want to melt fat. It's beneficial to the patient, providing a more chiseled, defined or delineated look along the mandibular border. With this, we're seeking to, in fact, melt away fatty tissue. So we take advantage of this for the patient. Having said that, there are areas like the deep malar fat compartments, in other words, the fullness in the mid-face and the high arching cheekbones, where we want to avoid this loss of volume. So we're going to dial back to say 1 millimeter where that energy will not reach these deeper structures. We're not going to reach the fat or even filler that would cause a volume change. Instead, the benefit is all at the surface of the skin with the fine lines and wrinkles. We'll get global tightening in that area without, again, causing a volume change. So while Morpheus8 has the capability of taking away volume and melting fat, we use this to our advantage in these aesthetic techniques. And in fact, we can preserve volume while providing the results that you're looking for as a patient. That's Morpheus8 solving the controversy at Hanz Aesthetic Plastic Surgery. Dr. Kevin Hanz, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Dallas, Texas. I've been in the aesthetic space for approximately 20 years, board certified over the last 15. We find our private practice location at the southern tip of Highland Park, where Highland Park meets that uptown corridor, conveniently located with a number of exciting, innovative technologies available to you as a patient here at Hanz Aesthetic Plastic Surgery. We encourage you, if these issues resonate with you, to reach out. The office can be reached at 214-908-3633. We're happy to set up an initial consultation and meet with you in the very near future.